Buenas, buenas. Entonces hoy día estamos por acá en Tenafly, Nueva Jersey. Por acá estamos, we are on the Slate roof leak repair and maintenance. So basically we are replacing some tiles on this section because the tile is in bad condition. In the meantime, we are working on the chimney because the crown was in real bad condition, so we will remove and make a new one. Three brothers are roofing specialized on the slate roof leak repair. Okay, so this is how the slate on the bottom. This is like really deteriorated. All right, and that is the slate. That is the time when we replace those damaged one. Very easily to broke. Okay, so yeah, no problem. We specialize on those kind of situation and get repair. Yeah, look, another one. Yeah, that's what we find in those area. We'll replace it. Okay, so right here we are removing the old chimney crown. All right, and some slates over there. Okay, so three brothers are roofing on the slate roof leak repair project. So now we start removing all the concrete. All right, after we use the thermal saw to cut it, now we remove it. Okay, and here we're going. Keep removing all the crown. All right. Okay, so here we're going, working on the slate roof. Okay. Okay, so right now we just blowing the chimney, so all the debris will go away, and we are ready with the new concrete. Okay, so right here we are doing the mix, and we use the special fiber. All right. Okay, so right here we are applying some water, so the new concrete will really stay on the top of the chimney. Okay, so that's the right way to do. Three brothers roofing has the experience. Here we're going, and right here we have the new concrete, reinforced with a fiberglass. Okay, right here we are applying the new concrete. Here we're going, step by step on chimney crown. Okay, three brothers roofing on the slate roof. Okay, so this is the final chimney crown, and what we have to do left install the okay, so right here it's installed the two chimney cap and recook the base and done. Now we are on the step of installing the new coupling flashing along the slate roof hip. So here we're going with the installation. So we can, let's say, either use copper or aluminum. So it's based on homeowner's option. So at this time, homeowners picked aluminum. She decided to go with the black color. So yeah, that's what we're doing. Here we're going. All right. Okay, and in the meantime we are installing we're replacing some slates on the lower roof. So right here we are ongoing with the installation. Okay, step by step, 3 Brodessa roofing on a Slate, roof leak repair or maintenance. Okay, so right here the project is completed. We just installing the last piece. Okay, and this is how it looks with the new flashing along the hip over there. And let me turn the, okay, all right, that's it. Project completed with a new chimney crown, recook the base, new aluminum, replace the tiles around there. Okay guys, that's it for today. Chop chop.